So let me ask you a question. Do you want to be healthier or do you want to lose weight?
I want to be healthier, but I want to fit into this society.
If you were healthier, you would lose weight, but you've never really focused on being healthier. You've always focused on losing weight.
Right.
But whenever you go to lose weight, I want you to pay attention to the metaphor. And those of you that own, how many of you own gyms? Raise your hands. Gym owners, I want you to really pay attention to what I'm about to teach you right now. This is super important, what I'm going to tell you. This is language. We don't help people lose weight, we help people be healthy. When you become healthy, you can instantly lose weight. Working out in my life was associated for years with something that I wished I would do that I don't do. Do you understand that? Pay attention. I would say work out, my brain would say you'll do it for a week and you know you're gonna quit anyways. How many of you know what I'm talking about? This is what your clients are gonna do. You don't make money selling a membership and them never showing up again. You make money when they come forever. So what we do is we change the verbiage around. So for me, for years, and I use this story all the time, couldn't figure out why in my 30s, I was an athlete as a kid, played hockey, why could I not work out? But then I remembered my original reason for working out was a very, very simple reason. I was in high school, I played hockey, I needed to be strong, I wanted to not get killed. Girls liked guys that worked out. When you're 15 years old, this is what you do. Does that make sense? You want to look good. It wasn't like nowadays, guys that work out, I guess is not cool anymore. I think it's better just to have a phone or something. Okay, but what happened is I wanted to do that and I was on a team and we all worked out. Then I turned 30, I'm not in a team anymore. You're happily married, picking up women's not a good idea. Does that make sense? You know, beating people up is not legal unless you're this fucking guy, okay? And so I didn't work out. So I would work out, to me, was something I did for 7 days and quit. And then one day I said to myself, it's all language. Just like you wanting to lose weight. Lose weight to you means have to look in the mirror and realize I fucked myself up. So when you say lose weight, you're equal to I looked in the mirror and I fucked myself up. Does this make sense? What you mean to say is you'd like to get healthier, which is a new neural pathway. Do you understand that? So what I did is about 2 years ago, Sally Vale sent me, to I know with Dan, sent me the Joe DeSena Spartan book. And she sent me the book Spartan Up. And he said one word in that book. It was 3 years ago. It said train. And you know what I said? I've never actually trained for anything. So my brain goes, that's a new pathway, train. And you know what I did? I started training and I started exercising. I still worked out, but I changed the verbiage. So my question for you is, if you stop trying to lose weight and you found a new word like, you know what? I want to be a little more effective with my health. Would that be a step in the right direction? Could you do that? Do you have negative feedback to that? No. You never associate anything to it. She associates freedom and success in business. What she needs to do is, you know, I'm gonna write a new chapter. She's never said that to herself. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna work on a new chapter in life. That's a new word. Wow, that's kind of cool. And if you don't like it, switch it. How many of you recognize the woman is probably never, ever, ever going to lose weight trying to lose weight? How many of you understand that? You have 40, 30, 20 years. My wife says all women live to 29 and stay there forever. But you're 29 years old permanently. And what's funny is you're never going to lose weight trying to lose weight. What you need to do is find something you'll run with. Train, exercise, be healthy, be an example for people. Whatever that word is that you need to pick, and you might have to change it every 90 days, but trying to lose weight and change your shape and all that stuff, it's not gonna work. You can get to the result by changing the verbiage because she has so much association to it that's incorrectly. How many of you get that? If you do, say I do. Do you realize when they buy a gym membership from you, they're already ready to fucking quit before they walked in the door? Do you understand that? Cut the shit thinking you're special. They're already out. What you need to say is this, hey guys, just want to tell you real quick, we do not let people work out here, but we do let people train here and we help people become healthier. Are you on board for that? Then their brain's like, oh my God, I never heard that before. I'll give that 90 days. If you say, do you want a gym membership and do you want to work out? They're like, yeah, of course I do. I'll be quitting in 7 days. How many of you are learning right now? If you are, say I am. Yeah. Okay. Grab a seat. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe and even hit the notification button right now so you won't miss out on any future videos. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook and visit my webpage for tons of valuable information. Videos, tools, techniques, and all kinds of stuff to help you take your life and your business to the next level. And always remember, the best is yet to come.